Hello, my name is Phil Dislacohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the shuffle step and open the door skill. Okay, we're going to start off by looking at the open the door. So basically open the door is a great way somebody's coming at you and you're just basically just getting out of the way of an attack. So you want to start in a good base stance, okay? Feet shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider. Okay, you're going to bend your knees a little bit. And basically you're going to move your back foot. Okay, you move your back foot, somebody's coming at me from the front. I'm just going to shift out of the way, just like so. And whoever's trying to tackle me or whatever is going to go right by me. So, feet parallel. Okay, bend my knees. Okay, and somebody's going to come at me. I'm just going to open the door just like that. Okay, one more time. Okay, somebody's coming at me. I'm just going to shift out of the way just like so. Okay, let me do it from a side angle. Okay, so into a good base stance, feet parallel, knees bent, back straight. Okay, somebody's coming at me from that direction. And basically I'm just going to shift my back foot out of the way and then move away. Okay, knees bent, feet parallel, a good base stance. Okay, somebody's coming at me from that direction. So, open the door just like that. Okay, so let's add to that. So let's say somebody's coming at you, somebody's coming at me, and I'm going to shuffle step. So I'm going to demonstrate the shuffle step, and then do the open the door. So I'm going to start like so, of course, in a good base stance. Okay, so my partner is going to push against me, so I'll move that front foot first. Okay, I don't want my feet to come together. I want to come about so far. Okay, you don't want your feet to come together because you might get knocked over, trip over yourself. So you're going to bring that front foot, then move the back foot. Then front foot, back foot. Front foot, back foot. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, make sure you keep your back straight. Okay, somebody's coming at me from that direction. I'm going to do the front foot, then back foot, front foot, and back foot. Okay, so we're going to combine both those skills. Shuffle step and open the door. So when we do this in class, we're going to do 2 pushes, and on that second push, we're going to open the door on that second push. Okay, so first push, shuffle step. Second push, open the door, step out of the way. Just like so. Ready? First push, shuffle step. Second push, step out of the way. Okay, let me do it from a side angle. Okay, my attack's coming from that direction. They're going to push me. I'm going to shuffle step with the front foot, then the back foot. They're going to push again. I'm just going to step out of the way, just like so. Okay, now I'm going to have Mr. Booker assist me in demonstrating. Push over here, Mr. Booker. Okay, so I'm going to get into a good base stance. Okay, and Mr. Booker is going to push me twice. On that second push, I'm going to open the door, and then I'm going to shuffle step on the first one, and then open the door on the second push. Okay, ready? And attack. Shuffle step, and push. Out of the way, just like that. So make sure when you step, you really want to back away a little bit. You don't want to, you really want to get out of the way of the attack. Okay, back into a base stance, knees bent, back straight, and he's using his hand like so, push against my shoulder. Okay, ready? And push, shuffle step, push, and out of the way. Okay, let's try from the other direction. Okay, good base stance. Okay, ready? And push, and open, push, open the door. Okay, one more time. Okay, good base stance. Okay, and push. Almost knocked me over. And push. Open the door, just like that. Okay, thank you, Mr. Booker. Okay, So remember, you always want to be in a good base stance. You don't want your feet coming together like so. And you want to keep your back straight, okay? And when you're opening the door, you're always moving your back foot forward, just like so. And that is the shuffle step and open the door skill.